Na-na! Unboxing time. It finally got here. The Elgato HD60. Taking the liberty of removing my address from here. I have not actually opened this thing yet, and I am very, very intrigued to see what we have inside. What about you guys? I want to be careful because the package is weird. It's all bulgy. I'm assuming it's just a bunch of bubble wrap, considering it's an Elgato. It's a fairly expensive piece of equipment. It's literally the most expensive capture card there is. I'm gonna see about putting this out so it can sit by itself. No, it doesn't want to sit by itself. Oh, it can over here. Here we go. Let's see. There we go. It's opening much more easily when I don't have to man the camera. Whoa! It looks like I was right-ish about bubble wrap. To a degree, it's like bubble wrap, but you know, the giant air pockets. How fun. My dog loves these, so that ought to be interesting. Packaging list. Yay. Looks like there might be a... Huh, there isn't. Okay. Here it is. Wow, this looks absolutely beautiful. I'll be able to man the camera now. So let's take a look at that bad boy. Sorry about the lighting, it's pretty darn early. Oh my god, this thing looks so beautiful. Wow, okay, let's look at the back. It looks like it got a little bit of a indentation on it. Oh my god, that's just beautiful. Yep, 60 frames per second, 1080p. Let's see about opening this thing up. Looks like there's no good way to open this except with a blade. Whoa. Okay, that was weird. The screen just turned black for a minute. Yeah, I will be getting a tripod for this thing soon enough. Because I don't like holding it and opening it at the same time. But unboxings are not going to be very common with me. Unboxings were more of like a temporary fix until I got this. And it is here. I want to be as careful as possible because I don't want to damage it. Like the box. I know it's... I've seen it before. It's a fairly small piece of equipment, so... Yeah, I just want to keep the box in real nice condition. Because you never know, some of these things could get screwed up or anything. Because it looks like they might like to reuse the boxes or something, because this box kind of got a little bit screwed up. Wow. Still looks fairly shiny. I just took the plastic off and still very shiny. Let's put you guys over here again. Just put that stuff away for now. There we go. Oh, that looks so beautiful. Oh, yeah. Okay, so just a little cover for... Yeah, so your skills immortalized. Oh, yeah, that's beautiful. Move that thing. Okay. And just open it. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Is that not beautiful? I would totally think that is just beautiful. Wow, look at that thing. So it just pops out. It's a little thing in the back telling you where everything goes. This thing is very light and small. Wow. HDMI out. HDMI in. That's the little port right there for plugging it into your computer. And that's audio right over here. But from all the research and stuff I've done on this thing, the audio you will almost never use. Okay, opened it up again. This guy's packaged this excellent. Okay. Oh yeah, I was hoping one of these would come in. Little tiny Elgato gaming sticker. Little tiny thing. That is everything in here. Yeah. Unless there's something mysterious. Beautiful. Okay. So this would be the cord going to your computer, but I recognize a cord. So it'd be easy to get a new one if I need one. HDMI cord. Oh my god, this is a very funny little HDMI cord. It's like a 2-footer. I got plenty of extra HDMI cords I'll probably use. But this actually looks fairly long for a cord. They just plug into it because this is like old school Android type plug-in stuff. But yeah, I think this might be a 3-footer. That's fairly good. Maybe 4. This thing looks fairly long. But yeah, this is just the unboxing. As soon as I learn it, I'll let you two guys know and such. And yeah. And this channel is more of just like an experiment. Oh, this is much longer. This is like, yeah, this is a 6-footer. I like this. It's gonna come in handy. But yeah, this is it. It's really awesome. I will try to record some gameplay and start tossing out as many videos as possible. But thing is, this channel is more of it was just a startup. So I will probably create a new channel and leave a link in the description for this video to the new channel, because this channel it was you know, just for something to maybe get a couple subscribers, which I did, which was awesome. To, you know, wait until we get all the new equipment and try to create a whole new thing. And I'm thinking about using my gamer tag for the channel name instead of Most Rot. That name was it was a funky little name. But yeah.